Okay, so this is how to change your clutch pedal assembly on your Civic, Integra, EG, CRX, Delso, etc. I'm gonna show you. Make sure to unplug the yellow plug from the clutch pedal assembly, which is that. Unplug that and drop the pin, but you take out the pin from there. Take that out. Hold on. Take out the tension from it. Just take it out and make sure that's free. And then you have your second bolt. You guys, it's broken. If you guys look under here where the pedal is, this is your third bolt directly above. And that's about it. Those 3 bolts and the whole assembly should come out. The new one right here. It was super rusty orange. It's just like that everywhere. Look at all that orange and pool. Oh goodness. And we got the motherfucking help right here. Hell yeah. We got the thing. Hit it with the truck bed. Taking out the last bolt. The whole thing is already, basically it's already off. Just gotta take that last bolt off. Uh-oh. Broken piece. Just came out of there. Uh-oh, that's how bad that shit was. Last bolt almost out. Took out the last bolt right there, so assembly should come out smoothly. Oh, okay. Nothing broke off, nothing came with it. Broken wires. Old versus new. That looks pretty solid to me. That looks pretty crusty to me. But we going with this bad boy right here. Get your new one. Now it's time to install everything back. All 3 clutch pedal. It's on there. Time to put the top bolt in. Time to put the other 2. And that's it. Everything's in. Cotter pin is on. Everything's tight. I'm about to double check, triple check. We'll go for a ride. And just go on